Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify playlist not saved. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify playlist not saved, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of Spotify. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. If you find your updates, you can click to update your app, and if it's not working with you, you can uninstall your application to install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.